Hey guys, Wade here. This is Sandy. We're doing a demonstration of our formal obedience training. Here. Sit. Good. Heel. Sit. Now if I step off with my right foot and my right hand, the dog knows to hold her sit. If I step off with my left foot and my left hand, she knows to come with me in the heel. Sit. We can also do the commands with just the verbal cues. Here, heel, sit, heel, sit. So if you're looking for professional grade obedience training, we can help you here at Texas Duck Dogs. Whether it's just a good family companion or a hunting companion that'll retrieve for you, that's what we specialize in. Break. Atta girl. Hey up. Good. Here.